guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the projection of lines problem, that is which this chapter is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. So carefully watch my videos till the end, and how to draw this problem with my basic skills I am explaining you, with practical and theoretical also I am explaining you. So how to draw this, so how to understand this question according to the question I am explaining you. Please watch my videos till the end, then only you will come to understand, and also practice by yourself and how to draw this. And please, if you like my videos, share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press in my YouTube channel bell icon. You will get more notification of other videos. Okay, and now I am starting my problem. A line measuring 60 mm is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. The line is 40 mm in front of VP. The lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm from the right profile plane. So first practically I am explaining you. The projection of lines is drawn on a common XY line. This is the XY line, this is the vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane. So horizontal plane, and according to the question I am explaining you, a line measuring 60 mm is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. Okay, suppose this line, you are having a 60 mm line, this pencil, suppose this line is 60 mm and this end is A and this end is B. Okay, the line is having 60 mm measurement. Okay, is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. Parallel to VP means it will be parallel to VP like this, perpendicular to HP means perpendicular to HP it will be. So the pencil will be like this. Okay, and this pencil is how much distance from the VP you are having, and from HP having, you have to see the line is 40 mm in front of VP, means from VP you are having 40 mm distance here like this, and the lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP, means from HP, this is the HP, you are having a height of 20 mm from this. Okay, so after keeping this pencil here, you have to see this pencil from the front view. You will have a 20 mm, means this pencil will have like this on the VP of having 60 mm length, having 20 mm height. Like a perpendicular, you will have a line of 60 mm from the front view. If you see this pencil from the top, you will have like a point. So on the top view, on the HP, you will have a point like this. Okay, and on the right profile plane, this pencil is on the right profile plane, your pencil will be exactly like the 60 mm line you will have like this. Okay, on the right profile plane. So how to draw this, I am going to explain you in detail. So watch my video till the end. So first we have to draw an XY line like this. This will be X and Y, and this is the vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane. Okay, as said in the question, you have to see first which profile he has given you in the question. That is right profile plane. The right profile he has given you means you have to start your solution from the left. Okay, so you have to start from here. You have to see that your line, that 60 mm line, is how much up and how much down. So first you have to see the line is 40 mm in front of VP. 40 mm in front of VP means you have to, in front of VP means you have to draw on HP 40 mm distance like this. Okay, first you take the distance, then the lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP, means above HP above you have to take 20 mm like this. Okay, I will show the dimension of this line first. Like this, first you take the distance this is 20 and this is 40. Then after, the line is, the 60 mm line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. As practically I have shown you that on VP you are having a perpendicular line like this. So draw 60 mm line here and this label it as A dash and B dash. Then also dimension it as 60 mm like this. And here in the top view you are having a point. Suppose if you see this line from the top, that B is visible, B dash is visible, so you have to write it as B without bracket. And from the top if you see A dash, it is invisible, it is backside, it is invisible, this A dash is invisible. For the invisibility you have to write it in bracket. Okay, then if you see this line from the top, the line looks like a point. Okay, if you see this from the top, this line if you see from the top, from here, it looks like a point only, no? So put a dot here. Okay, then after, in the question he gave you one more distance, 25 mm from right profile plane. That means from this projector, these two projector, there is a distance of 25 mm from till right profile plane. So you have to take 25 mm distance from this projector, put a dot and you have to draw a right profile plane like this. And this will be x1, it is also called x1, y1 right profile plane. Okay, then after you have to adjust your minute drafter of 45 degree angle, 45, and draw from the right profile plane a 45 degree angle line. And also you can take by your protractor also. Then after you have to take the projection line from this A and B till this 45 degree angle and upwards. How? I am showing you. From A and B also it is same. And upwards like this, from A and B like this, and from these 2 points you have to take the projection line from A dash like this and B dash like this. Okay, then after, see these points A and A, where it is meeting? Here you have to put a point and you have to label it as A double dash. Okay, and from B and B dash, see where it is meeting here, you have to put a dot and write it as B double dash. Okay. Then in the right profile plane, I show you practically that here 60 mm line will also visible here. So draw this line, dark it. Okay. Then after, this is the complete solution. You have shown this is the front view, and this will be the top view. And this will be the left side view. How means you have to see this front view from the left. Means if you see from the left how it looks on the left side view. Okay. Now you have to show the dimensions as given in the question, all dimensions. Okay. 60 mm I have shown, and 40 mm also I have shown, and 20 mm I have shown. One more 25 I have not shown. From the projector you are having a 25 distance, so we have to show this also, that is 25 mm. And this is the complete solution of this problem. Please guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and please also press in my YouTube channel bell icon. You will get the more notifications of my other videos, and please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself. Then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem and understand the concept how to draw. Thank you.